is not eating your seed, okay? If any of you guys, I don't know if any of you guys have ever farmed before, or know anybody who's a farmer, right? How many of you guys ever farmed before? Oh, wow. Well, I didn't know we had that many farmers in here. Okay, great. We've got a lot of farmers in the house. I didn't know that. I knew in my rural Alabama group we might have. I didn't know Pensacola would have as many farmers. So, okay, so you guys are familiar with the fact, listen, a farmer, okay, let's say he's got a field, right? He's going to go out and plant some wheat, or he's going to plant some corn. He's going to plant that, he's going to cultivate, he's going to take care of the land, he's going to get it all, set up, he's going to water, he's going to watch over it. It takes a while, right? It takes a while, it takes some discipline. You got to pay attention to it. You got to, you're hoping it doesn't rain too much, you're hoping it doesn't rain too little. You go through this whole process, and eventually, hopefully, if everything goes right, you're going to get a harvest, okay? When you're a farmer's going to go out and he's going to harvest all that corn, or he's going to harvest all that wheat, and he's going to have to do specific things with it, okay? Number one, the first thing he's going to do with that, he's going to keep some of it to consume it. Right? So if it's corn or it's wheat or what, maybe you've planted a number of different things, you're going to set some of that stuff aside, and it's going to be for your family, it's for your consumption, it's to take care of your immediate needs. Then that farmer is going to bundle some of that up, right? He's going to package some of that up, and he's going to sell some of that seed or some of that, whatever it is he's been harvesting. He's going to sell some of that to make some more money so he can buy other things, because he doesn't just need corn or wheat in his life, right? So he's going to consume some of it, he's going to sell some of it, that's his active income, and then the stuff that he doesn't, the money that he gets from selling it is great. He can use it on other things. But then there's also going to be this leftover seed, okay? And he's going to have to decide what he's going to do with that leftover seed. Now, he could sell all of it for money and go out and buy a Ferrari or whatever he wants to do, right? But he's got to save some of that seed, okay, to plant if he wants to have another harvest the next season, right? And here's the problem with our society today is we've got a whole lot of consumers and not a lot of planners, okay? And that's why we have this catastrophe of the Henrys coming upon us, is all these people coming to retirement that have nothing, is because, the biggest error that I see in people's finances right now is becoming too much of a consumer and not enough of a planner, where they're in this mindset of they get this harvest and they get what they want, but there's never saving and setting enough back for them to plant in order to reap again. Yes, it takes sacrifice, but there has to be a portion of your seed, a portion of that money, a portion of your income that you're saving and setting aside to replant into something that's going to return back to you again.